welcome back to another video. This is Carla, and today we're going to be looking on the D major scale on the recorder. Alright, so before I get into the video, let me just tell you that there are two sharps in this major scale. Alright, so we have D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. Alright, before I get into the scale note by note, let me just play so you can hear what it will sound like. Alright. Okay, so that is a D major scale. Now we're going to go into this scale note by note. So the first note in this scale is D. So for D, we're covering all the holes except for this last one down here. Alright, so we're covering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, along with the back hole, and that is D. Then the next note in the scale is E. Alright, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, along with the back hole. Third note in the scale is F sharp. And for F sharp, it's 1, 2, 3, skip 4, 5, 6, along with back hole. Sorry. Next note is G. To play G, it's 1, 2, 3, along with back hole. Next note is A in the D major scale, and that is 1, 2, along with back hole. Next note is B, and it's only number 1, along with back hole. Next we have C sharp, and for C sharp it's 1, 2, no holding of the note at the back. All right, so it's only 1, 2, no back hole. All right, good. So 1, 2 for C sharp. Then we have D, which is just the index finger. All right, and we go back down. So we're gonna go back to C sharp. B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. All right, let me just go over that. Let me play that once more slowly. All right. And that is the D major scale on the recorder. I sure hope that you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.